Thank you for tuning into my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Christmas wreath. I'm going to start off with showing you the materials that I'm going to be using. That is red mesh. You're also going to need some scissors as well. Some glue sticks, you're going to need those. You're going to need your glue gun to accomplish this. Also, you're going to need a wreath wire. This is the small one I'm going to be using today. You also need pipe cleaners. It doesn't matter what color you use because you're going to be covering it up. However, if you want to be real precise, you can use the same exact color. Here is a candy cane I purchased from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using this as well. Also, here are some Christmas ornaments that I purchased from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using those. Here's a close-up so you can see what they look like. Pretty cool. Color just to add some texture and some more shine to my wreath. These big balls here I purchased at Hobby Lobby. I'm in Pittsburgh. They're having a sale. I believe Hobby Lobby always has a sale, so get there and get you some. They have a lot of colors. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with the wreath. And the steps are really easy, straight to the point. And yeah, I feel like I should have opened this up before I started this video and just showed you all the sticker, but anyway, it doesn't matter. So as I'm opening this thing up here, see they have it closed with a little bit of tape. Here is the texture of it. I like this texture. Sometimes I'll use the ones from Dollar Tree too, but yeah, it's more shady. So all you do is you roll until it's your desired size that you prefer or thickness. And you just cut right down just like so. Now you can use a heat solder pin and just cut down and they'll seal the ends, but this doesn't shed like I said, so it's all good. Get your pipe cleaner and you just take your roll, pinch it, and wrap your pipe cleaner around it. Once you got it around, it's tight enough, and you're going to twist it and seal it like you would do a loaf of bread. And you're going to continue this process until it's your desired size of flower you want. Being that this is a small wreath wire, I'm not going to do too many because I don't want to make a big flower and it overpowers the wreath. So just stay tuned and see how it's done. I'm showing you is the first piece of pipe cleaner that I used was too short, so I had to take another piece and connect it, and that's just all I did. And I was just showing you how I connected it so I can move on. Take your last piece, put it in the center, then from there you're going to take that pipe cleaner, wrap it all the way around the whole entire bundle and pull it as tight as you can. And from there, once you get it as tight as you can, you're going to flip it. Actually not flip it, you're going to feed it through like you're about to tie and pull it again as tight as you can. From there, you're going to have a tail. You're going to take that tail and that's what's going to connect to the wreath wire, right? So for extra security, you can take that tail and just twist it just like that. And you want to play around with your pieces and get them, into the form that you want them in. And in this case, the form that we're going for is a flower. Got thus far. I used 6 flowers to get to this point. That's all we really needed for this small wireframe. Again, you just play around with your mesh rolls, get them to where they make sense so it's not lopsided and looking all crazy. Start adding some more of the pipe cleaner. As you can see, you can barely see some of it. Make sure everything is tight in the back. And yeah, so the next step is we're going to take our glue gun and seal that pipe cleaner. Sure to cut off all unwanted pieces. Now that is all done, I am ready to put on my embellishments. There is no rule to how you put your embellishments on your wreath. You could be creative, do what you want. In my case, I decided to put mine in the center of each flower. Also, the glue gun does not work with this mesh or these bulbs. I had to switch over to the E6000. However, I did use the glue gun to fuse any balls that were sitting next to each other together. That's a tip for you all. Looky here. The wreath is done. It's all dry, secure, and ready for the next embellishment, which would be the infamous candy cane. Yes, I'm not using that. So let's take that off. And you see this, it already comes with the attachment. I'm going to cut that thing and attach it to the bottom of the wreath. So I want to thank you all for watching my video. Stay tuned for upcoming DIYs and tutorials. Make sure to hit the like button, turn on your notifications, and subscribe.